Okay, Mustafa, can you please tell me the shape's name?
Circle, heart,
Put the finger.
circle,
Okay.
heart,
Hmm.
semicircle,
Okay.
pentagon, hexagon, oval, triangle, square, rectangle.
Rectangle. Good job. Okay, now Mustafa, you have to put them in right place.
Okay.
This is rectangle. Name the shape also.
This is oval.
Okay.
This is hexagon. This is pentagon. This is square. This is triangle. This is heart. This is a semicircle.
Okay, Mustafa, can you tell me how many sides and corner does a square has?
Square has 4 sides. Rectangle has a 4 sides.
Okay.
And triangle has a 3 sides.
Very good.
And hexagon has a 6 sides.
Okay.
And pentagon has a 5 sides.
Very nice.
And
how many sides and corners does a oval and circle has?
the oval and the circle, there's
No sides and no corners.
Yes.
Very good. Can you tell me the colors of these shapes?
Red.
Put the finger.
Red, green, light, dark pink, yellow.
This is shocking pink also.
Pink.
Okay.
Orange, blue,
Sky blue.
sky blue, square, rectangle.
Blue.
Blue,
Purple.
purple, pink.